Hi friends, welcome in the journey of learning and growing. Today's topic is that how to get success for sure. Yes, you heard it right. Today's topic is how to get success for sure. In order to get this, let me make it clear to you that if you are ready to take pain in your life, this only may guarantee you the success. The much intensity of the pain you are ready to take, the much is the guarantee of your success. What most people do, most people are ready to take pain, but they are not consistent in that. Once they have started doing something and they feel something uncomfort, they lose, they quit. But the point is there itself. You don't have to quit. You have to stuck. You have to be consistent. And let me tell you, the more consistent you will be in doing the things and getting the pain, the more are the chances of getting successful. Let me share you 3 C's that will guarantee you the sure success in your life. The one, courage. Second, consistent. Third is cultivating the habit. Right? These are the 3 C's. Courage, consistency, cultivating the habit. Be it any area of your life, if you apply these 3 C's, these will guarantee you for the success. What happens is, just suppose, is there any area you want to get succeed? You thought that I want to get succeed in making my good health. So what's the first step you will have to pick? You will have to pick that you will have to show courage. What's the courage herein? You will have to get up early. You will have to do exercise. You will have to take care of your diet plan. And this is the first courage you will show. It takes hard to initiate with this courage to get up early in the morning, let me tell you that. Okay? Once you took this courage, then what you have to do, you don't have to stop in this courage only, this first step only. You have to take your next step, that you have to be consistent in doing this. Not for one day. It's not about 1 day or 2 day or 3 day activity. It's about 21 days, 30 days challenge you have to put yourself in. No matter how much you are feeling that pain in waking up. But you have put in the first C, courage you have put in. Second, you are put in consistency in your actions. Then what will happen, let me tell you, you are not stopping yourself to coming out of your uncomfort zone, and you are ready and consistent in your actions regular basis. Then it will become your habit, and the cultivating of habit is the third C in the process of the journey of success. You can apply this to anything, be it your health, be it your wealth, and be it your knowledge or learning new skill. Be it any area of your life in which you want to get succeed. Success cannot be measured only in terms of money. Success is about doing small things. Let me tell you what people do. People make big goals, and making big goals, and then feeling themselves just stuck in taking actions, make them lose and feel guilty about it. So one shouldn't do it. It shouldn't be done. Rather, making a big goal, it's very required to start small. I'm not denying you that you don't should keep big goal. You keep big goal, but it is not always that you, for the big goal accomplishment, the big start is required. Right? You will have to start small initially. A small action. You will have to put in a small courage to bring it into action. And that small courage of showing a small action will take you forward with your consistency, and putting the consistency in that action will take you forward, making that habit. Then that habit will experience you the learning of success in the process of first thing. Then this process, once defined in your mind, then the neural patterns will be there. And this one process which you have been successful in one thing can be implemented in any other area of life to get expertise and to get succeed there. The first step, what you have to do, you just have to come out of your comfort zone and take a small step. You have to show the courage to take a small step. Once you have done it, be consistent in it. And when you are consistent in it, you are regular in it, then it will become your habit. And when it becomes your habit, it gets you desired result. Okay? Thank you so much for now. Apply this in your any life skill. Apply this in your accomplishment of any goal of your life, and start small and ready to get large goals in your life. So put in comment box whatsoever your goal is, and how you are ready to put small actions, and how you are ready to put your courage and consistency, and then get cultivation of habit and result in success. Let me know. I would love to hear from you. Thank you so much for now.